Let's see here. We got some really cool superconductor rings. Exotic, rare, faceted superconductor ring, gift for him, wedding ring, engagement ring. So these are really, really, really cool. I don't know what makes it a superconductor or how that works, but these things look so amazing. So, wow, look at that. Look at that. Great photos. Super incredible photos. I mean, these photos are spectacular. So that will help you out a lot getting the good photos here. Now, let's go back to this one here. That one pops out, looks really nice. Now, let's look up this keyword here. We've got exotic, rare, faceted superconductor ring. Okay. Now, I kind of feel like that might be too many keywords, but let's check. And yes, it is kind of too much. So it brings your results all the way down to 120. So if we just look up, let's just cut out exotic rare, because I don't think it's really necessary to say that it's exotic or rare. And okay, now we've got only 244. So let's just go superconductor ring. Let's see how big that keyword is. Superconductor ring. Man, only 1,118 results. I kind of thought it would be larger than that. Let's make sure that we got the right spelling and everything like that. Let's just Google it. But you want to find keywords with a little bit more results like that than that. So it looks like the right keyword. So what are we doing wrong here? Why do we have so few results? So maybe we need to come up with some interesting keywords like, men's wedding ring. Or you could even just say men's ring. Let's try that. So it's a big niche, 1.2 million results, lots of opportunity. Look at this one here. That's interesting. A green lion. So there's plenty of opportunity. It's a great niche, lots of opportunity, lots of people selling and buying. So we could try men's cool ring. And that brings us down to 13,089. We could try men's rare ring. And let's see, 11,055. So that's a good one there. And maybe it's not just men's, but you want to kind of pick one gender at least and get some gender related keywords. We could try men's exotic ring. And that gives us, let's see here, as he's going slow, 1471. And I think that is a good keyword because it well describes your product. So that's what I would recommend you work on there is try adjusting the keywords a little bit, because this one right here, exotic, rare, faceted, superconductor ring, it's just too precise. It's too specific, and it's not really getting you enough search traffic. And I don't think there's enough results for it to really get some big sales out of it. So I'd probably recommend changing the keywords on that one. Now, if you have been getting sales on that keyword with that product, you might not want to change the keywords for that product. You just could duplicate it and change the keywords on the new listing. And that way your listing kind of stays the same. And the results stay the same. So we got another one here, custom handmade purple blue Damascus titanium ring. Okay, so again, very interesting keywords, and I think they're just kind of too exotic. So we got Damascus titanium ring, 805 results. So it's not bad. It's not a bad keyword, but it'd be better to find something, let's just try titanium ring. 67,000. Okay, so way bigger. But we could try some other keywords like monochromatic. I think that's what you call it. Monochromatic. Doesn't quite match up to it. But we could try rainbow. Oh, no. It's called dichroic. Oh, these are so cool. Dichroic ring. And this is like the weird, interesting kind of like, rainbowy colors. So that's actually a decent keyword. Dichroic ring, 2,966. And that's a really unusual kind of keyword. And but one that's very relevant to you, 2,966, because it's rainbow and there's a lot of colors going into it, so on and so forth. So that could be a great keyword for you right there. But looking at your products, I will say your photos are amazing, perfect, on point, look spectacular. I think you just need to work on the keywords themselves and try to find more relevant keywords. Because this one right here, carbon and wood ring, this is a good keyword, but you can have more. You can fit 4 or 5 more keywords into that listing title, and that's going to help you get more sales. So I would recommend for something like this to just fill that listing title with like 3 or 4 more keywords, and that's going to help you out a lot. So I'm going to pop in these keywords for you here. And let's see here. Can we pop them in on Facebook? Let's see here. All right. We just popped them into the chat there for you. But good luck with those. And I hope you get some good results.